Welcome to Mission Appsc ANZ YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the answer key of RWD APPSC as Junior Engineer exams. Today remaining 40 questions are remaining, so we'll discuss 40 questions one by one. So if you don't watch other two videos, then please do visit my playlist, then you will get other 60 questions. So from question number 61, permissible stress of a steel in a compression due to bending in a working stress is, so option number B, that is 0.66 Fy is the correct answer as per IS 8000 1984 WSM. Okay, question number 62 is known as the beam provided outside the wall at its floor level to support the wall load. So lintel is known as the beam which is provided outside the wall to each floor to level to support the wall load. Question number 63, which section holds ratio of the maximum and average shear stress 1.5? So it is rectangular section. Rectangular sections, the average and maximum ratio is 1.5. Okay, so we'll go for question number 64. Okay, in question number 64, they're asking the instrument which are used in the measure the earthquake shaking is called. So seismograph is this instrument which are used for the intensity of earthquake. The depth of deep manholes are the depth of main as well. Option C, that is greater than 1.5 meters. Lead pipes have high hydraulic coefficient and low flexibility. High hydraulic coefficient and it has high flexibility. Okay, so question number 67, which is used to measure the flow of domestic building? So water meter is used to measure the flow of domestic building. Question number 68, hydraulically equivalent sections of two sewers are such that they discharge at the same rate laid on the same ground. So option A, that is running full, is the answer. Next, question number 69. Water purification works handles 5000 meter cube per day of a water which needs a chlorine of 0.4 milligram per liter. The residual chlorine after 15 minutes of contact time is 0.2 milligram per liter. The chlorine doses, so monorectal, the chlorine doses is 0.6 milligram per liter. So question number 70, in case of volume basing, smaller mass of the sand occupying the fixed volume of the measuring box due to option B, that is buckling. Then we'll go for the next questions. So question number 71. So gypsum is basically a accelerator. We all know this is gypsum is basically a retarder. We all know this because it will increase the initial setting time. So it is most repetitively questions. Question number 72. A split footing for a single column is known as, so single column for split footing is known as pad footing. So pad footings, the alternative name of pad footing is isolated footing. Question number 73. Curing basically reduce the sinkage of the concrete. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 74. The critical section of a punching shear of an isolated pad footing of a effective depth D will be located at option C. So dy distance from the face of the column. Question number 75. The maximum effective slenderness ratio of member who is always in the tensions is all is 400. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 76. Centrifugal form transform, option D, that is energy from rotor to the fluid. So question number 77, the design of structure by limit state method will ensure that they will not reach the limit state. So option A is the correct answer. Then we'll go for question number 78. The copper is most liable to corrosion, or steel is most liable to corrosion. So obviously steel will be most liable to corrosion. Question number 79. May be made of Dash may be made of plain concrete if the unsupported land do not exceed their least lateral dimensions. So columns are made plain concrete if their unsupported land do not exceed their latest lateral dimensions. Question number 80. The unit weight of cement mortar. Cement mortar unit weight is option B, that is 2000 kg per meter cube. Question number 81. The maximum deflection WL cube by TEI is due to a load W acting 3N of a cantilever beam, L and flexure rigidity EI. So 3N will be answer. Question number 82. The slam test is a simple test which is used to determine the workability. Okay. Question number 83. The size of band pipe is commonly used as 75 mm. It is repeatedly questions. This questions is asking. Question number 84. The flushing cistern in Indian type of water closet is normally kept 2 meters above the closest. Which one of the following river training works helps in the navigations of the channel? So option B, that is training for depth. Question number 86. Sloughs are constructed transverse to the river flow, extending from the bank of the river. So option C, that both A and B, that is gricons and spurs, are the constructed transverse to the flow extending from the bank into the rivers. Next question number 87. Sloughs are defined in the speed of flooding, not the source of locations of flooding. So option D, that is none of the above are the that is not the fluvial, the coastal, not the pluvial. Okay. Next question number 88. Partially ventilated single stack system are modified in the form of single stack system and one piped system. So option B is the correct answer. Then the septic action is produced in the septic tank by anaerobic bacteria. Okay. So because there is the absence of oxygen, that's why anaerobic bacteria. Question number 90. Plain area method is used for preparing approximate estimate. Okay. Question number 91. Trapezoidal ware has another popular name. What is this? Hypothesis. What where? Sometimes they are asked. Next question number 92. The shear force at 10 meter from the fixed support. So if you calculate this, then you will get answer as 26.7 kilonewton. So you can see the calculation. This is the calculations how we can get by the method of similar angle. If you do similar angle, we can get the values of y. Then calculate this, and finally you will get 26.7. Question number 93. A white rectangular channel carries a water at a depth of 0.5 meter. The bed of slopes analysis this estimate discharge. So we have to estimate discharge. So we can uh, use Manning's formula 1 by n r 2 3 s not half. So from there we can get the velocity. After velocity we can get the discharge as v into a. Okay. Question number 94. The slash of a river is determined by using. So the catchment area of a river is determined by using contour maps. The velocity would not permit the solids to settle down and even score the deposit particle of a grain size is called. So it is self-cleansing velocity. The width of a from a single lane bridge should not be less than 4.25 mm. So option is carriageway. Okay, carriageway width is 4.25. Slash organization is presently responsible for ensuring flood focus in India. So Department of Water Resources presently responsible. Okay. Next, question number 98. According to ice code of the timber, 12% moisture content. So option A, weight. Okay. Question number 99. The plasticity index of a plastic limit of a soil is given by 25 and 20% respectively. What will be the liquid limit? Liquid limit is nothing but IP plus WP, so 45%. Pavements are classified on the basis of material use, rigidity pavement. So on the basis of rigidity of the pavement. These all are 100 questions which we discussed this class. So if you like the videos, then please like it and subscribe this channel and share with friends. Thank you for watching.